In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert checkmark in PDF XChange Editor. Now, there's actually two ways. The first one is very simple. You want to go to the Form tab up top, and then from here you have the checkbox, and then you can click on that, and I'm going to click on yes, and here you can basically draw out the checkmark field, and then when I basically click the escape key to go out of here to the hand tool, for example, I can go and click in here, and therefore I will get a checkmark. However, this of course may not be what you were looking for, so let me actually show you a much better way via stamps. Now, to do this, you actually will need to install a stamp pack, and I'll show you how to do that from their official website. It's very simple. All you have to do is you want to go to the Home tab. You want to go to up here where it says Stamp and click on this arrow down next to it. And then from here, you want to click on Stamps Palette. Now in here, you want to click on Add New and you want to click on Get More. What this will do is it will open up a website over here, their official website. And then here you can see there's a bunch of different free stamp collections. And one of them here is checks and marks. Now this is the one we're going to be getting. So you want to just click on here where it says checksandmarks.zip. And there we go, it's downloaded onto your computer. You can close this down, and then what you want to do here from here on is basically open up your file explorer. Okay, and what I mean by that is basically you want to open up the downloads folder where you should have your checks and mark. There we go. So as you can see, I have it over here. Let me make this a bit smaller. There we go. And where you can see checks and marks, you want to right click and click on extract all, and then here you want to click on extract. Now, after you do that, you'll be able to see you have like this checks and marks over here. So it's going to unzip and there's going to be like a PDF in there. So what you have to do from here is very simple. Simply, we're going to basically copy it inside the correct folder. So what you want to do is you want to go down here to the bottom to the search box and you want to type in %appdata% here in Windows. And you want to open up this file folder. Now, where you're in here, you want to scroll down and you want to find this one over here, which is called Tracker Software. Go inside this folder and then go inside the PDF XChange Editor and then go inside 3.0. Here it says stamps. You want to double click on this, and then here you basically want to drag in your checks and marks PDF into here. There we go. It's now working. You can close that down and you can close this as well. After you've done that, you want to close down PDF XChange Editor and open it back up. And when that happens, open up a PDF. And if you now go into stamps here and click on this arrow down button, you'll be able to see, there we go, under checks and marks, you now have a bunch of different options and a bunch of different check marks you can actually use inside your document. So as you can see, there's like a lot. You could just click on one of these and then click on whatever you want. You could draw your own size if you want to, and that way you can insert check marks. So that's pretty much how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.